How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single-section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Newton XXL Modish Manor. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with an amazing model by the name of the Newton XXL, and this time we are coining it the Modish Manor. The reason being, if you're subscribed like you should be, we originally showcased the Newton XXL years back, and it took the internet by storm. Specifically, our clients loved it, and we continued to build this home over and over again. But what we did was unlike no other. We chose to discontinue it temporarily and put it on ice. That allowed us to go to the drawing board and come up with some more innovative and new interior features that you'll see today, which is why we're calling it the Modish Manor. But before I go any further, I want to make sure you know the price. This particular model, as you see it today, is 18 feet wide, 72 feet long. It's including the 8-foot front porch, 1,088 square feet to be exact, and it's on sale today for $130K, $130,000. You'll get everything that you see today besides furniture and decor. And you know what you came here for. If it's your first time to the channel, this is where you see manufactured homes like no other, with tons of curb appeal. Starting here on the exterior. The exterior has a 50-year warranty siding in a vertical pattern and a garlic clove finish. We chose to add a black magic exterior paint on your eaves of the home, right there on the fascia. And then, of course, we've topped it all off with a black metal roof. That way you have a traditional, safe exterior that works wonders and is timeless for years to come. We've matched that black metal roof with the black metal railing that you'll see here. You'll even see that we have the garlic clove porch post. And as you make your way around to the front, you'll see that we have tons of space here on the exterior porch at 8 feet, where we have the beam going all the way across and no crow's foot. So we left it open there so you can get a great view of the interior porch ceiling that we finished out to that garlic clove to match. 2 exterior can lights. It is already wired and braced in the center for your ceiling fan or light fixture of choice. We have 1 single window here. We have, again, the composite decking, where you're going to have a minimum of a 30-year warranty on that, and then your 36-inch blinds and glass front door right here up front. What's so great about this door is not only the functionality and the look, but behind it is where everything gets real interesting. Follow me inside the Newton XXL Modish Manor. And now we're on the interior of the Newton XXL Modish Manor. What did I tell you guys? This is where things are going to get real interesting and real innovative. But before I go any further, quick reminder for anyone that's interested in more short form content, does not want the longer educational in-depth tours, you can run on over to our short section of the channel and see the home tours in under 2 minutes. Those are for you that do not have the time. You say, yeah, I talk too much, go on. I don't have any excuses anymore. I'm thinking of you. So you got 2-minute videos, and for that, all I ask from you is to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. But for the rest of you to have a little time on your hands and want to be educated, let's start the tour right here. In the living area, where you're going to see in this new Newton XXL Modish Manor, we're starting it off right. We have a 50-inch LED fireplace that does put off heat. You have the additional open cubbies on each side, the large open cubby there in the center, and this thing is huge. So you have all the space here. I mean, tons of depth, so you can put photos here, decor, your TV, you can mount it on the wall. All of those options are there for your convenience. Also, look how this complements with the top of the countertop, the cabinets down to the tawny oak plank flooring going from front to back of this home. No seams in the floors. We're doing plank throughout. We're doing it the right way to begin with, and this color looks phenomenal in person. And also, with this home being 18 feet wide, you see how much space you have to operate, because you can get right over here and look, full living room setup right here, full-size couch, full-size love seat. You have your coffee table, accent chair, tons of space. Put the rug down. You can do it right. Put your furniture in here, and you have so much walkability in this home. Tons of area here, natural light coming in, picture windows, triple picture windows to be exact, 3 transoms up top, dormer draping over to the pebble stone antique wood accent going down the center with your 3-blade ceiling fan with the black blades. So much space here, but what I love is that it's the open concept that leads from this open area here directly into your kitchen, where, yes, super huge island here for you. And notice, I just got to talk about it real quick, the color of this cabinet. The cabinets we have in here are grizzle gray, ladies and gentlemen. Remember I told you we put this floor plan on ice? It's because we went to the drawing boards and we wanted to be more updated, more innovative. This is more the colors that I personally like. And you'll see here, the grizzle gray I think looks phenomenal, and it complements a lot of different color hues and patterns. So paired with the countertops, the flooring goes a long way. Also, you'll see we have the 4 bulb pendant lights hanging down from the ceiling, draping right over your island. They look phenomenal paired with the island. Outlets on each side. You have enough area here on the back side to accommodate at least 2 stools. And then you have the open area here where you have the sliding glass door. We have the 72-inch sliding glass door. This works great if you're looking to build a patio, a deck, or anything of the such on site. You have the great area there, which provides additional natural light as well. Blinds are included in here, so guys, keep that in mind. There is a way to have a little privacy there. Also, I have some clients too that once they get it, they may not even want to use the blinds. They'll put up a nice tent on there also, so you can sit there and have that open concept, but don't have to worry about people seeing directly in through that sliding glass door. Now, let's take it over to the hutch. Yeah, look how much space you got here. Cabinetry down below, additional countertop up high, outlets there centered, that pebble stone unique wood, plank right there on your shelving, 42-inch cabinets. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think you can put some dishes up in here? Because I sure can. Look how much space you have, and they're adjustable. So no matter the height, Mr. Tiny does it right. We got that for you. Also, soft close, so it'll give you time to pull your hand back so you don't smash your fingers. You have the microwave there in the center, the cabinets up top, cabinets there, pull-out drawer, have all of those options there. Even more area here. I mean, if you like a nice morning cup of joe, you have the area throughout the kitchen to accommodate wherever you'd like to put your coffee pot. Each side of the island is going to be equipped with the additional storage as well. And just because you got it on the side don't mean you got it on the front. But it does in this home. So you'll see right there, we have the cabinetry there, additional drawer. And we know for those cooks, them chefs out there, you want to have a pot and pan drawer. So we have 2 of those for you. And then directly across, we have the 1 basin stainless farm sink. And what I like, you can look at that. We have it inset. Yes, so sleek, so elegant. Additional storage around with your cabinetry, the gray pedal backsplash going up to the bottom of the cabinets, dishwasher in there in stainless steel. Now let's have some real fun. We'll take it over here where you have the smooth top stainless steel oven, the gray pedal backsplash going all the way up to your all new canopy that we have. The canopy range right there that is finished out in the wood to match your cabinets. Yeah, that's what Mr. Tiny likes. I like that. We even added a shelf right there up top, and you see you can put some decor up there as well. Phenomenal choices. Again, we had to put it on ice. We're trying to be innovative, add some new features, and I think these are going to stick around for a while. Fingers crossed. So let's follow it this way. We have the side-by-side fridge, ice in the door, additional cabinetry up top, Then we'll take it back. You'll see right here, you're going to have the additional pantry. Again, we're keeping it very close, convenient for you with your refrigerator right there. So you have the food pantry. And then this is a 2-bedroom. And you'll see in the 2-bedroom that you have the space here. Again, like I've said before, tons of you hit me up all the time saying, Mr. Tiny, I want to purchase a home from you. And I only need a 1-bedroom, but I think I may be interested in a 2. Then I sit there a lot of times and showcase homes like this one, where yes, it has a 2nd bedroom, but it's not super huge and taking up a lot of space. It's just convenient if you have guests over, kids coming over to visit, you have a designated area, and it can also be utilized as a hobby room or storage. You have that space. Window right here. Also, rather than doing a closet here on this door, just because it is a different little concept here for some clients, we added in the 6-door cabinetry there. So we have that for you. So you can utilize this. Again, works great for a craft room. So you can have your space and be able to store your crafts at the same time. Now follow me back and keep in mind, I've shown you the front door. I've showed you the 72-inch sliding glass door. And I gave you one more that's going to be off the side where you can access each side of your home real quick and in a hurry. So got one there as well. Well, follow me on back. What else do we have here? Another door. Could I give you more? Yes, I did. This is going to be a coat closet there. So this works great. I think personally, if you want to put items such as your vacuums, mops, anything like that, you can put in there, out of sight, out of mind. And on top of that, speaking of cleaning, you're going to be able to clean your clothes like no other because you got a side-by-side washer dryer section with the additional cabinetry up top with the rod connecting them. Again, no stackables in this home. We're doing it right. And let's take it to the primary. No, we did not go to do the do-si-do on the dance floor. This ain't Dirty Dancing filming right now, even though it looks like I'm ready. This is your bedroom right here, and you have enough space to accommodate any size bed that you want to. Tons of windows right here, 2 on this side, 1 there, and then again, vaulted ceiling allows that ceiling fan to be there in the center. And then right here, you'll see that we have the double door into your closet, where your closet will extend on each side, where you have the shelving and rod that wraps all the way down on each area. And what I love about it, go right this way. Before we get there, look at this big wall Mr. Tiny left for you. I was about to call myself Mr. TV, because that's what I did for you. Left a big TV wall. So no matter, say if you put your bed on this wall, you can sit there and go 80-inch, 90-inch. You know they sell 100-inch now. Put it right there in your home. Mr. Tiny thinking about you. Remember me. Come right this way and let's see. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. Now let's come through and see what we're doing right here in this bathroom. The dual vanities here with the backsplash, 1 row going right there. Additional drawer bank, cabinetry on each side. You have the black trimmed mirror looking perfect right there. Now on the opposite side of that, what do we have? We got to get clean, baby. Let's go ahead and step up in here. Oh, yes. Yes, he did. Gray pedal tile going all the way around. Rain shower head right here. And then you have the wall with the splash glass right there. So tons of space. You can sit there, get your shower on. It is a deeper lip, so you don't have to worry about getting the water onto your beautiful tawny oak floors. We have all of this here. Tons of space again. You can fit more than one if you want to. If you want to save your water bill, Mr. Tiny's thinking about you, so you have the option. Now follow me on down. And for those of you that have a little bit more time on your hands, maybe if you're looking at some long form content, not the short form, online, home tours, nice guide. You could do it right here in the tub. So you have the area here that you can relax, lay, look at your phone, sit there, read a nice book, just relax, take a nice nap. You could do so, light some candles around because we're giving you some space to do so. And then we have a transom over there as well to bring in some additional natural light. Seen one toilet, you've seen them all, but above that you have the open cubby as well as the additional linen cabinet with the adjustable shelving. We're not done, ladies and gentlemen. Let me close this door so you can get a nice look. More storage right here in your bathroom. Works great for all them towels and everything that you need. Have that, and it's behind the door, tucked out of sight, out of mind. Now, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look how great that looks. Imagine coming home to this. You coming, just took a nice shower, you walking out. Oh, yes. I made the right decision when I watched Mr. Tiny's video. I gave him a call the next day and said I had to have the Newton XXL Modish Manor because I could see myself living in this. That's what you could be saying if you took advantage. So you see right here, ladies and gentlemen, this tour I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you forgive me for originally putting this home on ice and discontinuing it for the time being. You see that when we bring it back, we try to do it right. So now that this home is back and better than ever, hope that you're ready, and keep in mind, running through the statistics one more time, this home is 18 feet wide, 72 feet long, includes that 8-foot porch. It's 1,088 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1 big bathroom, on sale today for $130K. $130,000, you'll get everything that you see besides furniture and decor. So if you enjoyed this video tour, all I need you to do is one thing, and that's hit that thumbs up button, that like button, to let me know that I did a great job today. And also hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe like you should be, then I love you. I want to give you a hug, virtual hug. If I see you in person, I'll give you one too for hitting that subscribe button. All you got to do is show me proof. Now run down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Newton XXL Modish Manor was today. Was it the outside, the 8-foot porch? Was it the interior, my personal favorite, with the all new finishes and the updated cabinets, the updated pendant lights, and also just the arrangement of the items that we have in here today with this all new color palette? You let me know. Run down to the comment section so we can keep these things coming in the future. And also, if you're interested in purchasing the Newton XXL Modish Manor, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Newton XXL Modish Manor as well as hundreds of other homes directly off my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night. I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.